Hey guys, Nabil from Auto Repair Champs. Today I'm going to show you how to put on an axle seal on the passenger side. On one of my videos I did show how to remove it. This time I'm going to show you how to put it in. I got this axle seal kit that you can find those online, and this is the new one that I'm about to put in. Just put a little bit of grease on the edge of it here. Okay, and then from the inside for the drive shaft. And then the biggest size on this kit is what fits on this perfectly. And I use one of my rubber hammers. These rubber hammers are pretty good. They seem to be safer on metal. So put the axle in. Not the axle, I mean the axle seal. Due to the space, I don't have space to keep this bar in, so I'm going to remove it. I'm going to just have this flat piece here so I can hit on it. A couple of hits using my rubber hammer, and I can feel you're all set. And then what I need to do is put this drive shaft, not the CV shaft, it's actually this shaft, they call it an intermediate shaft. I did clean it. This seal is actually pretty darn strong, so I'm going to have to use a different hammer here to push this in, or maybe I can use the axle itself. That's all I wanted to show you guys. Really, this video is to show you how to put the seal on the passenger side of the F-150. Again, this is a 2012 Ford F-150 3.5 liter engine. Thanks for watching.